Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the AT&T Maestro 3 for AT&T Prepaid. So where are the first two Maestros? So it is now available for $99.99. So this is a new budget smartphone for AT&T Prepaid. It is now available in a green color, so that's pretty cool. 32 gigabytes of storage. So this is a new budget smartphone. I don't know who makes this phone, so I don't know. So there is the phone right there. Y'all guys have your teardrop notch for your front facing camera there. A piece above that. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Alright. So yeah. There's the front of the phone. Left side has poly micro SD and some card slots somewhere in here. It's kinda hard to tell. This is the left side of the phone. And oh yeah, okay, your micro SD card and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone right here where my mouse is. There's the back of the phone. Dual camera setup, camera flash, fingerprint sensor, AT&T logo, and has like a very interesting back to it there. I don't know if it looks like that in person or not, but in photos it looks like this. So pretty interesting there. So yeah, there's the back of the phone. Like I said, dual camera setup, camera flash, fingerprint sensor, AT&T logo there on the back. Very nice looking back. I don't know if it looks like this in person or not, or not. I don't know. There's the right side power button, volume keys. Right side power button, volume keys. Right side again. Alright. On the bottom of the Maestro 3 is a microphone, Type-C charging port, and your speaker. On the top of the Maestro 3 is noise cancellation microphone and your headphone jack, which is very nice to see. Alright. So this one kind of looks like the Motivate Max that AT&T also offers as well. It kind of looks like that a little bit, which is interesting. So yeah. So it says here, take it to the next level with the AT&T Maestro 3. Elevate your viewing experience with the vivid 6.5-inch HD plus display. Snap stunning photos even after dark with the 13 and 5 megapixel dual cameras, and take picture perfect selfies with the 5 megapixel front camera. Fast connectivity meets powerful performance with 32 gigabytes internal storage. Long lasting 3,900 mAh battery. Interesting. Built-in fingerprint sensor and latest Android 12 OS protected by a 2-year warranty. So, very cool. Photos and videos, excuse me. Basically what I just showed you guys. Left side, back. Right side, bottom, top, alright. Specs. The Maestro 3 has a 6.5-inch display, HD plus with scratch resistant Dragon Tail Pro glass. Dual cameras in the rear, 13 and 5 megapixels with LED flash and 5 megapixel front facing camera. Android 12, all the latest features and security from Google, up to 32 gigabytes of internal storage, expandable with micro SD card, which you will need to use that. Dimensions on the Maestro 3, 6.58 inches height, 3.3 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. The Maestro 3 weighs 6.24 ounces. Display, like I just mentioned, 6.5 inches HD plus 720 by 1600 pixel resolution. Does not say the refresh rate, but don't be surprised if it is 60 Hz. Don't be surprised if it's 60 Hz display, so keep that in mind. Camera, rear facing camera, 13 megapixel standard angle lens with f2.2 aperture, 5 megapixel wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture, 1080p video capture at 30 frames per second, video playback 1080p at 30, 5 megapixel normal lens, which is interesting, with the f2.2 aperture. You get portrait mode, face beauty, HDR, night mode, dual rear camera. Shooting options, you get touch shot, self timer, shutter sound. Battery 3900 mAh battery, non-removable. Talk time 25.47 hours. Standby time 29.5 days. Audio playback via speaker 63.3 hours. Audio playback via headset 114.86 hours. Time to charge to 50% is 63 minutes, which is an hour. Time to charge to 100% is 188 minutes. So about 3 hours full time. About 3 hours to charge this phone fully, which is interesting. It has a MediaTek MT6761 quad-core processor. Memory 32 GB of internal storage. Expandable up to 128 GB of micro SD card expansion, so take advantage of that. 3 GB of RAM, Android 12. It has 4G LTE. There is no 5G on this phone here. It has HD voice, Wi-Fi calling, Wi-Fi connectivity. It has Wi-Fi connectivity 802.11 ABGN AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. It has wireless emergency alerts. It takes a nano SIM card. Sensors. It has a accelerometer, ambient light, barometer, fingerprint, proximity sensors. There's a messaging there. It has YouTube Music. It has a music player, which is pretty much standard now on stock Android phones. Accessibility, sustainability, product codes, and stuff like that. What comes with the device is your quick start guide, charging brick, Type-C cable, some ejection tool, and safety information guide. That's pretty much it in the box there. So yeah, there you guys go. The AT&T Maestro 3 is now here at AT&T Prepaid for $99.99. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatever, y'all gotta check this phone out. My favorite thing about the phone that it comes with a 2-year warranty, which is a very nice feature to have because it will give you guys peace of mind. It has Android 12, but don't expect no updates on this phone because just don't expect no updates on this phone. Just don't. So it will be on Android 12 for its whole life cycle. I do like the green color. I think it looks very interesting. I don't know what it looks like in person or nothing like that. So the green color is very nice in my opinion. So there you guys go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.